Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about design and implementation of fuzzy logic based maximum power point tracking of PV systems using MATLAB Simulink. Here what is MPPT technique and how it is works. Here normally the MPPT stands for maximum power point tracker. It is a circuit, typically a DC to DC converter. It is employed in the majority of modern photovoltaic inverters. The major principle of MPPT is to extract the maximum available power from PV module by making them operate at the most efficient voltage. That is called as maximum power point. The maximum power point function is to maximize energy available from the connected solar module arrays at any time duration its operations. Okay, for that it is to say MPPT checks output of PV modules, then compares its battery voltage, and then fixes what is the best power that PV module can produce to charge the battery, and also it converts it to the best voltage to maximum current battery. It can also supply power to DC load which is connected directly to the battery. Now we are going to discuss about this example shows an intelligent control method of tracking maximum power, and the simulation and hardware result shows that the proposed MPPT controller increases efficiency of a PV array energy conversion efficiency. Here the maximum power point tracking, sometimes just power point tracking is called, is a technique used commonly with so many wind turbines and photovoltaic solar systems to maximize the power extraction under all the conditions. Here normally we are using fuzzy inference systems using MATLAB fuzzy logic toolbox. Here in this section the photovoltaic cell operation under various weather condition is analyzed, and based on the temperature, based on the performance of the MPPT controller is developed by using fuzzy logic controller. That is a Mamdani fuzzy logic controllers are there. Here the MPPT plays already know important role in photovoltaic power system. The PV power generation changes with respect to sunlight irradiance and temperature also there. Here the structure of the fuzzy logic controller that has two inputs and one output called VPV and IPV, that is a voltage variable membership function and current variable membership function. The fuzzy logic membership function has been designed a trapezoidal method for both input and output membership values. Then the output is the PWM based output, that is the MPPT fuzzy controller has two inputs, that is a PV voltage and PV current respectively. The MPPT fuzzy controller generates a duty cycle based on changes in PV voltage and current under various weather conditions, that is temperature and irradiance. And it is a hand method or method. You can choose it your requirement. That is where where named this fuzzy logic designer function is FMPPT. Here this is a rule base used in the fuzzy logic controller. Here there are five set of fuzzy levels are used for the all the inputs and output variables. It shows the variations in voltage and variations in power. Okay, first it starts with negative big NB value and NS zero order value, and PS positive small and positive big value. It is the proposed rules are shown here. The fuzzy rules are designed to track maximum power point of the photovoltaic system under changing weather conditions. A rapid changing solar radiation is taken into the account while designing these rules. Next, this is a input variable, the membership function of the input variable delta V. Here the proposed inputs of fuzzy logic controllers are change in the voltage of PV module and the change in the power of the PV module. Then the proposed output is output from FLC, that is a fuzzy logic controller, is delta U. It's not known as delta U, which correspond to the modulation signal which is applied to the PWM modulator in order to produce the switching pulses. Okay, this is our input variable, first input variable membership function delta P. It's normally it shows the fixed variables. The input variables are VPV and IPV, and the output variable is delta U. That is nothing but pulse width modulator signal. That is a duty cycle. And then next one is the output variable delta U, the membership function of the output variable. Then this is a fuzzy output membership function, that is the duty cycles for MPPT of PV systems. It shows the rule and surface weaver of fuzzy inference systems. Based on that, you can plot the points and get the uh, values in the form of workspace, in the form of .mat file. This is a surface weaver rule map, fuzzy rules for MPPT of PV systems. We are designing to 20 kilowatts PV system output current at various temperature. This is a PV response curve. It shows at different temperature. First one is 20 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, and 40 and 50. So that you can change irradiance also. The developed fuzzy logic controller has been tested and simulated in MATLAB environment, and also the fuzzy controller performance under various weather conditions such as variable irradiance and the temperature was analyzed here. This is our IV and PV curve at different irradiance values. Normally it's 600, 800, 900 and 1100 watts per meter square. Now you start with the this is the general block diagram of fuzzy logic controller based MPPT of PV power systems. Here these are the two inputs. You can here itself you can set the irradiance value. It's like the constant block is used to specify the input parameters. That is the first one is the constant value, irradiance value. So we are applying 1000, and temperature also. This is a constant block. Here we are giving the temperature value as 25 degree. Then this is a PV array. Normally this PV array mask implements the PV array built of strings of PV modules connected in parallel. Each strings are consist of modules connected in series. It allows modeling of variety of preset PV modules available from NREL systems advisor model. Here the input one is sun irradiance in watt per meter square, and the input 2 is where cell temperature in degree. Here normally we can apply the input value, input parameters value. Array data I am applying here. Parallel strings are 40 and series connected modules per string is 10. Here for your according to your requirement, according to your design, you can change the module of PV array. Here so many things are there. Here user defined means we have to set all the maximum power, open circuit voltage, what is your open voltage at maximum power point, and temperature coefficient value, cell pulse value. Here user defined value means you can yourself you can give the value. Normally the advanced renewable energy battery one, that is a 230 watts is a famous one. Here itself you can the right hand side display of IV and PV characteristic. Here you can choose one module at 25 degrees Celsius, and there are three options are available here. One module at 25 degrees Celsius and specified irradiance, and another one is array at 25 degrees Celsius and specified irradiance, and array at 1000 watts per meter square and specified temperature. Here I am choosing array at 1000 watts per meter square and specified temperatures here. Here I am specifying the temperature. Just to give the plot according to your input, the plot shows the IV and PV characteristic of this particular array type, that is advanced renewable energy ARE 230 watts M6G value. This is nothing but this power at maximum, that is our dp. The difference between power and voltage is 0 here. This is one greater than 0, that is the power of dp versus dv is less than 0, greater than 0. Here in this point power of difference between derivative of power versus dpv versus dv is less than 0 here. This is a figure shows the power voltage characteristic of PV module, and this is where power current characteristic of our PV module. Here the model is based on that. This model is developed model for PV systems in MATLAB and Simulink. Here the MPPT system uses a DC to DC converter to compensate the uh, output voltage of solar panel to keep the voltage at the value which maximize the output power. Here in this MPPT logic, fuzzy logic controller measures the values of voltage and current at the output of solar panel. Then it calculates the power from relation. The relation that is nothing but P equal to product of voltage and current to extract the inputs of the controller. The crisp output of the controller represent the duty cycles of the PWM to switch the DC to DC converter. Here normally the DC to DC converters are boost converter used in this type of inductor and diode, and this MOSFET capacitors and this load RLC load. Here the DC links are provided here. Here this fuzzy logic block shows the fuzzy logic controller block. Here we have to develop the fuzzy inference systems, that is a fuzzy based rules. It's called as FIS name, that is your fuzzy inference system name. Also you have to mention here. It is the fuzzy inference systems using specified parameters value for the given set of input values. The block evaluates the fuzzy inference systems and generates the corresponding output values. Here I am giving the samples of output discretization as 101. Here itself you can give the additional output ports also. For your requirement you can choose this one. Simulate, I have selecting the option interpreted execution or code generation. If you want to generate your design with code generation, means you can choose code generation. Then now click apply, you will get the result like this. Okay, then this is a measurement block. Your PV array power and voltage blocks are shows here. There is a power equal to voltage and product of power and voltages. Product of voltage and current is here. Here we can run the model. What will happen you can see. The output voltage is shown here. This output voltage is shown here. What are the different between the irradiance and temperature? It shows the different values. Here itself you can see the output values. The scope represent the simulation results shows that the maximum power power tracker could track the maximum power accuracy and successfully in all the conditions are evaluated here. Here you can change the irradiance value and the temperature value. Based on your value, the output values also it changes. You can see. You can see the output values. Based on that output power, the maximum power accuracy is achieved here. This is the scope. Another scope is shown here. Here this MPPT is most effective for cold weather and cloudy or AC days, and the battery is deeply discharged, so that it is so much effective at this type of cold weather and cloudy conditions. Here normally the two algorithms are often used to achieve the MPPT, namely P and O, that is a perturbation and observation algorithm, and incremental conduction methods. Recently the two methods have been implemented on a commercial MPPT inverter. Okay, now it is showing the output is based on the viewer. Here I am getting two input variables and one output variable. Here these are membership function plots, and this is where input voltage membership function input plot, and these were input current input variables, that is our current block, and the rules are placed here. Here you can see the rules here. Based on that rules you can see if your voltage is changing means it shows the values, whatever the values. BPV minus 2.01 means your IPV is 0, PWM value is shown here. Wherever you change the value, you can observe the variations in PWM output, crisp output, and also you can formatting the option, its symbolics are inside, and you can view also surface viewer also here, and options you can plot surface or lit surface, and also you can export your value to workspace, the surface rule viewer value. If it is a workspace value means we can see here normally. Now we can export your rule based value to workspace as a FMP PPT value. Here you can see the exported value, what is the name and add method and R method, all the rules and defactification methods, all the inputs and outputs values here you can see, name and range, this value. Based on that value you can see. Also you can generate the code itself also. You can also see what type of here this is another value, another you can edit this one membership functions, and also you can change the rules according to this model. This is our membership model. Here I am constructed with five fuzzy levels are used for all the input and output variables. Rapid changing the solar radiation is taking into the account while designing this type of rules. He also attach this one in this MATLAB Simulink model in description box. Kindly download it. You can, if you have any difficulty you face means kindly mail me. I will give the explanation. Here also you can change the model value. You can analyze and check the performance of different types of PV array model, and you can check how MPPT works, what is the effectiveness, and what is the use of MPT. In this manner, how do you find the maximum power point? This also you can understand by easily by using this. Once you implemented in MATLAB and Simulink, there are it is implemented in FuzzyLogic MPPT block here. Thank you so much.